Hello, welcome back. What I have for you today is a review. Should I say review? Because I haven't even seen it yet. I haven't even opened it yet. So y'all are gonna find out with me. The name of the company is Fannie Mill Cosmetics, and I picked up 2 lip gloss. Okay, I should say this video is not sponsored. I bought these with my coins. Bear with me, y'all. My first unboxing video. It's a moment. This company is based in Canada. Forgot which color I got. What does it say the color on here? Ay. Beautiful. Yes, indeed. I is beautiful. But I think I ordered Folie and I forgot the other color that I think this is Folie, because the other one is like a clear lip gloss. A cute little thank you card. It says, "Thank you for shopping. You made our day. We hope we make yours. Take 10% off your next order." Ooh, it comes with a gift, y'all. I'm going back for that color that keeps selling out. I'm not telling you what color because I don't want y'all to get it before me. Once I get it, I'll tell you. So I'm sure the other one will be the clear color, because yes, it is. There you go. Forgot the name of that one too, so I will write it down here for y'all. And this is a clear lip gloss. I am so excited, y'all. I'm gonna try the first one first, Folie, and then maybe I'll put the clear on top just so y'all can see. I like this color on me. Ooh. Okay. It feels so soft. It does not feel sticky at all. If anything, it feels very moisturizing. And that's what I look for in the lip gloss. Usually for my lip gloss to feel like this, I usually put like a lip balm first or Blistex first, and then I put my lip gloss, just so I'm not too annoyed with the stickiness. But this, honey, I'll be sitting pretty. Do you see me, honey? This baby just make it look juicy, and that's what you want, bro. That's what you want. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay? Till next time. Love you.